Hello everyone, welcome to A1 Coding. So in this video, I will tell you about how we can rename our existing project into some new name without affecting the overall structure of the other projects and the current dependencies of our current classes. So what are the things we need to do before doing this? Let me tell you. So we can rename the project first by renaming it from the Visual Studio. Then we need to clean and rebuild our solution. And then we are doing some local addition of the project names. And after that, we are renaming the solution name in the solution file. And then once all this done, then we can restart our solution and clean and rebuild our project and it will get worked. So let's jump into the code. What we need to do, for example, I've already created one worker service here and somehow I need to rename this to export service because this service is used to export the data. So I'm going to rename this export service and yeah. So like this, you can rename that and then after that you can clean and rebuild your solution. Yeah, and close your Visual Studio and first open the folder where the file exists. So now close your Visual Studio and then go to your project folder and then rename it to your uh, user defined name export service. So what it will do, it will rename all the folders, files, their references automatically. Click on enter and then done. After this, one more thing we need to do. Then we need to open this entity framework project solution or your solution file, edit in Notepad++, and scroll to the bottom and find your service, the older name. It looks like this. Your old project name and your new project. So you need to update this. So see here we have new name is updated, but still old reference is there. So we need to update that reference as well. Just copy the export service and paste it on worker service. It got renamed now. Save it. And then now open your solution. You will see these errors. Just close this and clean and rebuild your solution. You see, our project name is also changed, export service. It will, if you have connected to your source control, you can see the changes in your file structure. And one more thing, once all this thing is done, then you need to rename your namespace manually for your classes because it will not get updated automatically. So for example, in the models, I have country. So it is reflected to old service. So just update this with Yeah, this one. You need to update these as well. In my project, I've created a new one, so I have only 2, 3 files. Just clean and rebuild again. And then if you run your worker service, you can see it will started working as a export service. So that is how you can also rename your solution without affecting your current code base or projects. Yeah, that is all. Thank you.